So you want more coins? Well, you can't go to the sports field or the park with one of these. It's a bad look, but you can with one of these. Let me show you how to make your very own coin popper for just $2. And we're starting right now. I was able to source a combination spanner from a yard sale for just $1. Use a grinder to simply remove the head. Securely fasten it into the vise and use the grinder to reduce the thickness of the body. Remember that we are not creating a blade, so keep the edges square. Now we are going to create a slot near the point. This will catch or hook coins out from underground. Be sure that the spanner is secure in the vise. Test the size of the slot with the coin of your choice. In this video I'm using an Australian $1 coin. If it's not big enough, adjust the size of the slot accordingly. Adjust the side of the tool so that it provides a simple guide into the slot. You may wish to reduce the point as well. Use a grinding wheel to create 2 indentations on the side of the tool. This will be the starting point for you to wrap the handle in paracord. Do a final check to see if the coin will enter the slot easily. This paracord wrap is a very simple overhand knot, which is the first step of tying your shoelaces. When you get to the ring, simply wrap it tightly and tie it off. Here is the finished product. Let's try it out. Okay, we've got a coin right about here. Okay, I can feel it here. So work your way to the edge of the coin. Press down. And then, oh, nearly.